Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the third and final Pat McGrath quad that she came out with for the holidays. And this one is the Blitz Astral quad in Ritualistic Rose. Comes in the same type of packaging just like the other two do. In this one, you've got, sorry with the lights, you got a pink, a gold, like a dark pink purple, and then a bronze color right here. This one I was like, I saw it and I was like, wow, that looks amazing. Honestly, these quads and even her big palettes, I feel like they don't show up. The video doesn't do justice for the shadows and how amazingly shiny and pigmented they are. I feel like the lights and everything can wash it out. So when you see it in person, it's like a whole new ball game. It's just amazing. So if you ever want to see these, I would suggest going to see them in person. Yeah, when you see these in person, your mouth will drop. Someone's gonna have to help pick up your jaw off the floor and put it back in your mouth. It is so, I know that's a weird way of explaining it, but for sure, it's good. So these are her other two quads, and I did do reviews on those, so if you have not seen those or you would like to see them, I will link them in the description box below. This one was the Nocturnal Nirvana, which had the greens and purples, and this one was the Iconic Illumination, which had more of like neutrals, which had like a pop of red, a brown, and then that amazing first shade. So sparkly, so glittery. So these are amazing, and I'm so happy to have them in my collection. This one retails for $65, and you get 4 of her special shades right here. Jackpot. Seriously, jackpot. Like, ding ding, I win. Sorry, I'm like blending in with it. But the reason why they're $65, I mentioned it before, they're her special shades that she puts in at the end of her 10-pan palettes, and they are, the quads are made in Italy. So, I mean, probably costs more, so that's why it's more, but it's worth it. Now I'm going to swatch it for you guys, and then we will do an eye look, and this time I will just use the eyeshadow palette. I won't use anything else. I'll just use what's in here, and then we'll talk about everything afterwards. All right, so let's get on to the eye look. No. Let's get on to the swatches. All right, guys, so time to swatch. Now I'm just gonna go, you know, this one, this one, this one, this one. Ooh, yes, yes, baby, woo! She is looking good. As I swatch them, I will say then what the name of it is. So the first shade is Antique Gold 002. Sorry, the lights are so blinding. That. Astral Rose Orchid. This one just, look at how, like, see how shiny they are and blinding? That's my kind of shadow, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Make people, we want to blind them with our eyeballs. See, that's that one. Look at, oh my god. That one is like a pink with some gold reflex in it. And the top one, just like a normal gold. This one is called Rose Quartz 005. I love that. Oh, that is beautiful. It's like a purpley, like a purple, and then it's got like pink reflex to it. Beyond Bronze 003. Ooh. They swatch so smoothly. I can't even tell you guys how awesome they swatch and just feel so buttery and smooth on the skin. Oh, so good. Here we go. So those are the 4 shades. Oh my goodness, these colors, it just, this might have to be my favorite out of the 3. So now let's get on to the eye look. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have this on my eyeballs. I'm going to go in with the bronze shade right here, and I'm going to put that all in the crease and on the outer corner as well. I'm going to take this purple and pinkish color right here, and I'm going to put it on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take the pink one here, and I'm going to put that in the middle. For last, I'm going to take the gold shade and put it on the inner corner. And I'm pretty much used all the shades in the palette, which, yes, girl, we always want that. This is what the eye look looks like. Yes, I take my shadows pretty high, but that's only because I have hooded eyes. I did get a lot of fallout from the shades when I used my finger. When I used the brush for the bronze color, I didn't have any fallout. So, maybe you want to put some powder underneath your eyes if you have already done your face first. I would do that so that way you can just wipe it away. Hopefully it'll wipe away. Or you can do your eyes first. Totally up to you. Oh yeah, that wipes away really good. Not sticking at all. And also I was thinking this, if you want, you totally could use a glitter glue. I mean, they stick on their own by themselves fine. But if you really wanted to make sure they're secure, if maybe you're going out or something, you could totally use a glitter glue to put and then put the shadow on. And then maybe you won't have any fallout. So, yes. I love it. I freaking love it. And I'm so happy I did all 4 shades into one look. So, thumbs up for that. Alright, so I'm going to mascara, you know the drill, and everything. And then I will come back and I will give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, I'm back with lashes, mascara on, and everything like that. And I decided to keep the lower lash line just eyeliner and the mascara just kind of bare. Normally I always have some type of shadow on the bottom, but I really like it. So this is how the eye look came out. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Oh, I love her shadows so much. If you have not gotten anything from her, oh, you need to. I mean, you don't have to, but you're missing out if you don't. Like, she is a genius. I can't. And I'm so glad I picked up all her quads. You can use these, obviously, with one eye look. You don't need any other shadows. Use the 4 that are in here. Or you can use it with a few transition shades from another palette. It's up to you. But knowing that you can create an eye look with just this quad is amazing. This is definitely a win. Definitely a win, and I have to say it's my favorite. Out of all 3, this one is my absolute favorite. This can go from day to night to whatever, you know. You will get use out of these. Even out of all 3 of them, you will get use out. But this one, I think, is more, you can wear this every day to your job or wherever, and then you can dress it up for night. It's an all-in-one palette. Like, you can't go wrong. So, definitely amazing and definitely worth the money. Hands down, 2 thumbs up all the way. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you liked this eye look because I'm freaking loving it and I don't want to ever take it off. Can I just wear it on my eyes forever? Yes. Thank you guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I always leave my Instagram link down below so you can check it out. You know, if you want to, or follow or anything, it's always in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Manyama. Hey guys, no. God, it's so dark. That looks a lot better. Okay, so I am going to Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ritualistic. Jeez. That, like, the video does not do it, just literally drop. Someone's gonna have to help pick up your chin. No. This one was the Nocturnal Nirvana, which had the not golds. Side is the names of each shade. So as I swatch them, I will tell you what. I wasn't ready. Freaking shade. I put that all on the crease and on the back and give you my. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start off with the brown. Brown. Yeah, no girl. This ain't no brown. I mean, it's brown. I guess it's a brown. It's a bronze. Bronze brown. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm back with all of my makeup back on. Or all of my makeup back on. Some of my makeup was on before I filmed. What do I do with myself sometimes?